other things to come. So Anubha, please explain step by step that. I'll also show your portfolio which you have shown. So whenever you want to show me the portfolio, what you have done in college, I'll show it to them that they will understand the type of work. They will also learn enough. But first of all, I want to listen verbally that what all you have learned enough step by step, year by year, foundation, first, second, third, and fourth.
Okay.
Over to you.
First thing that I want to share with everyone is that this confusion of what you do in accessory design is persistent everywhere. People don't understand what accessories are, which is why college also changed the name of the department, which is now known as fashion and lifestyle accessories. They've segregated it. So you have your fashion accessories separate, which fashion accessories will include your jewelry, footwear, bags, and watches, etc. And then you will have your lifestyle accessories separate, which will include more of industrial design like tabletop accessories, furniture, suitcases, anything for that matter. What I do is lifestyle accessories. Coming to what Sir just said, कि first year से क्या किया? In your foundation course, you're all in it together. They basically just want to build a basic skill set and a basic understanding of proportion, of geometry, because it's very necessary as a designer for you to be able to understand whether or not what you are planning to create eventually get executed. That is very important. हम ख्वाब बना के फिर if it doesn't happen, then it is eventually it becomes a wasted effort. So that is very prominently present in the foundation course. Plus, you will also get these outlets of creativity in the forms of these subjects that we have elements of design and all, where they tell you why certain things look good. They're actually principled by design to look good. How we had a course in photography where they taught us the proportions in photography, that why a certain kind of picture will always look good, because there are certain points in the frame of a photograph. There are these 2/3 frame points in a photograph where your object is there, so the photo will definitely look nice. So this is more or less what you do in the foundation course. And in the foundation course you also get to learn everything. Everybody
So
is doing the same thing. Everybody is doing sketching. Everybody is working with metal. Everybody is working with yarn. So you're all somewhere, on a same stand, I would say. Second year onwards, you start
So first of all,
gradually.
Anubha, I'll interrupt you that. So in foundation year, basically we so first of all, we get introduced by all the students who are studying in NIFT, because like 5 students will be from accessory, 5 from textile, 5 from
Yeah.
fashion communication. So they mix up the batch so that you first of all meet all these students. So it's very important. Why it's very important? Because जब तक आप मिलोगे नहीं ना सब लोगों से, तब तक आपको कल को जब वो आपके दोस्ती नहीं रहेंगे तो पता क्या चलेगा कि वो, क्योंकि अगर फाउंडेशन में पता होता है ना कि कौन है, तो जब वो अपना प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन में है, कोई टेक्सटाइल में, तो वो लोग सब लोग आपस में एक दूसरे का काम शेयर करते हैं, एक दूसरे को काम
Yeah.
दिखाते हैं, वो बताते हैं कि मुझे यहाँ अपॉर्चुनिटी आ रही है. सो फाउंडेशन ईयर में वो क्या करते हैं निफ्ट वाले कि वो लोग आपको सेपरेट नहीं रखते, वो सब लोग को मिक्स कर देते हैं. और मिक्स करने का सबसे बड़ा बेनिफिट ये होता है दैट यू बिकम फ्रेंड्स फॉर योर लाइफ. I know that
Yeah.
textile kids who are the best friend of the fashion people, and communication people are the best
My
friend of
best
the
friend.
leather. So it's very important. इस पॉइंट को हल्के में मत लीजिएगा कि फाउंडेशन ईयर इज अ लाइट ईयर. फाउंडेशन ईयर में आप टीम
Oh,
वर्क
no.
सीखते हो. फाउंडेशन ईयर में आप टीम वर्क सीखते हो जिसके जिसके थ्रू आप बाद में काम करते हो. एंड एज शी टोल्ड दैट इन फाउंडेशन ईयर यू विल लर्न elements of design, sketching, material studies. You will learn so many things in foundation year that it's already, मतलब फाउंडेशन ईयर में अपार्ट फ्रॉम द लर्निंग, आई थिंक जो आपको अनुभव सीखने को मिला होगा वो सीखने को मिला होगा कि रात रात भर जागते कैसे हैं. आपने
Exactly. Definitely.
कंप्लेन करना बंद कर दिया होगा टीचर से कि मुझे इतने अच्छे काम पे इतना कम नंबर मिल रहा है और उसको ऐसे काम पे इतना ज्यादा, क्योंकि आपको समझ में आ चुका होता है कि ये इंडस्ट्री वैसे नहीं चलता है जैसे 12th तक आपने पढ़ाई की है. तो फाउंडेशन में वो आपको इंडस्ट्री के इनपुट्स देना शुरू कर देते हैं. करेक्ट. अच्छा अनुभव, कैन एनीवन डू एनी काइंड ऑफ इंटर्नशिप इन फाउंडेशन ईयर? मेरे टाइम पे तो हम लोग नहीं करते थे, आप लोग के टाइम पे किए फाउंडेशन?
Foundation, we never did any kind of internship because आपको आता ही कुछ नहीं है तो आप क्या ही करोगे. behind every internship, whenever you get hired as an intern, you have certain benefits to look out for कि हाँ हम ये सीखेंगे, but company भी देखती है कि हमें इस इंसान को रख के क्या फायदा होगा. So if the company does not see any benefit in hiring you as an intern, they will not focus on you basically. Like when I was interning ek bari and I didn't take any stipend, so one of my professors said this very smart thing to me कि अगर कोई तुम्हें एक पैसा भी देगा ना, so he will make sure that he gets that one rupees money's worth out of you. But अगर वो तुम्हें नहीं दे रहे हैं तो वो तुम्हारे लिए भी वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम है और उनका भी वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम है.
अच्छा, एक बात बताओ कि फाउंडेशन ईयर में आप लगभग आई थिंक सारे डिपार्टमेंट के सब्जेक्ट आप लोग को पढ़ाएंगे होंगे. आपने भी यार्न किया होगा, फैब्रिक मैनिपुलेशन किया होगा, एल्यूमिनियम किया होगा. सो बेसिकली गाइस, इन फाउंडेशन ईयर यू विल गेट टू लर्न. बेसिकली आप सारे डिपार्टमेंट से हल्की हल्की दोस्ती कर लेते हो और आपको आपके डिपार्टमेंट के लिए तो एनीवेज मेंटली रेडी किया ही जाता है, बट देन यू लर्न थोड़ा थोड़ा ऑफ ऑल द डिपार्टमेंट्स. सो दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द students who want to go for NIFT, that foundation year is not only a year for fun, but the foundation year teaches you that 24 hours is less for one day. You need 30 to 38 hours, then also it's less. So NIFT teaches you that it's no fun. The next 3 years is going to be really tough. So Anuvan, so now when you went to the second year of accessory design, so did you get the option of that now you have to choose between accessories, jewelry, or lifestyle or product, or they start teaching you everything related with accessories and product?
So in the beginning of the second year, there is no segregation as such. In fact, for our year, for our batch, there was never a segregation. They started teaching us these basics that we would require as designers of a product. Like they taught us things like form development. जैसे we were all asked to just go around the campus and find something. कुछ भी एक interesting object हमें लेके आना था. And then they told us कि अब of the same object make an abstract drawing, of the same object make a geometric drawing. So उस तरह से आप उस object you learn how to take form inspiration from an already existing object, because whatever design that you see around you will be inspired by nature in its core. There will never be an artificial inspiration no matter what. तुम कोई artificial inspiration लोगे वो भी किसी natural चीज से inspired होगा ultimately.
Okay, so
then we also learn how to get from one form to another. How to mix two forms, how to create something which is visually present. कि हाँ हमें inspiration दिख रहा है but वो हमने copy paste नहीं किया है. Difference between copy and inspiration. All of this is there.
So Anubha, in second year, what all materials you have been introduced with in accessory or product?
So first material that you will get introduced to is going to be clay. Best subject ever. It is so much fun. You go play in mitti the whole day. Then you will learn to work with, we don't work with natural wood, we work with MDF wood because natural wood is expensive. You'll learn how to saw it, you learn how to file it, you learn how to make puzzles out of it. Then using this knowledge of these two materials, you will work with plastics and thermoforming. NIFT Delhi is one of the very few campuses which has the whole oven and oven for clay, which has the heating machine for thermoforming. Is basically you take plastic sheets, you put them over a mold and उस पे फिर हम heat डालते हैं और वो उस shape में mold हो जाता है. So that thing you learn with plastics. And metal ka is not so much in the second year. We eventually get to it because the welding and all is there. They introduce you different types of welding, but that's not done in the second year. And also Delhi campus has a very cool laser machine, so we do most of our work on that.
So now almost the best part with NIFT right now, when I was in NIFT, so I know कि हम लोग सुनते थे तुम्हारे पास वो मशीन है, तुम्हारे पास वो मशीन नहीं है, तुम्हारे पास, हम लोग बॉम्बे, हैदराबाद. Now it's all same. You go to any campus, the infrastructure and the lab is same because now the curriculum is same for all the NIFTs. So now if a Delhi kid is learning aluminium, the Kangra kid also has to learn the same thing. So that's the best part with an IFT is that if you are doing accessory or textile or be it any department, the the type of thing you will be learning will be same. Definitely the teachers will be different, but output will be same if you are capable of doing it. So okay, tell me, so far there is nothing I've heard from you is fashion. A lot of student is scared that I don't want to do fashion, so why I'm going for accessory design. Sir, प्लीज माँ कसम खाओ कि एक्सेसरी में फैशन का कोई एलिमेंट नहीं होगा. अभी मैं माँ कसम खाना पड़ जाता है मुझे. तो टेल मी दैट ऐसा कोई चीज होता है जो कि सेकंड ईयर में, क्योंकि ऑफ कोर्स निफ्ट का फैशन एंड दिस डिपार्टमेंट इज नोन एज फैशन एंड लाइफस्टाइल एंड एक्सेसरीज, तो फैशन एलिमेंट्स भी तो सीखे होगा ना. ऐसा क्या क्या सीखे फैशन एलिमेंट्स सेकंड ईयर में? आई एम श्योर फैशन भी किए होगा.
So fashion के नाम पे you'll have certain subjects. There was one subject called fashion and trend forecasting, but I believe as someone who was not interested in fashion at all, that was a very important subject for me because it introduced me to the world of trends, materials. हमारे निफ्ट में रिसोर्स सेंटर जो है वो आपको कमिंग 2 years के ट्रेंड से यू आर अवेयर ऑफ कि हाँ ये अगले 2 साल में सब ट्रेंड्स आने वाले हैं. सो ट्रेंड डज नॉट जस्ट मीन स्टाइल, ट्रेंड मीन्स कलर्स, ट्रेंड मीन्स materials. So if I know that in the coming next 2 years the pastels are going to be in, मैं अपना सोफा पेस्टल कलर का ही बनाऊंगी. I will know that it will sell in the market. So these little fashion elements actually become much more important than holding you back. In fact, I did an internship with Philips and they were very reluctant to hire me because they're like, "Are you're from fashion, how can you be a part of it?" So then I showed them the work that was being done by me in college. So then they realized that, okay, that this course is not fashion at all. In fact, my being in fashion actually made me more compatible with the kind of assignments that they had for me. So I currently work with alcohol guys.
So fashion is not garments. Fashion is an aptitude. Fashion is the future. Fashion means the trend which will be coming. Now that trend can be a fancy mobile phone also. That trend can be an Asian paint color also. And that trend can be a IKEA sofa also, correct? So that trend is fashion. Fashion is everywhere. Fashion is the core. Fashion is the heart of all the product you will be designing. But now you are presenting it as an art piece. You are presenting it as a fashion piece, or you are presenting it as a normal design day-to-day life. That's totally up to you. Okay, Anuva. So in second year, I am sure you must have gone for craft cluster, correct? After second year. No, in between second and third year. Yes, correct. So first of all, guys,
AD goes late. AD goes late. We go after the 5th semester.
You go after the 5th semester. Okay, okay. So guys, Craft Cluster is one brilliant program where all of you will be visiting to some kind of village where जहाँ पे निफ्ट की टाइप होती है, वहाँ पे आप जाते हो, वहाँ पे आप वहाँ के गांव के लोगों के साथ काम करते हो, गांव के वीवर के साथ काम करते हो, गांव के क्राफ्टमैन के साथ काम करते हो, and you get to learn so many things from the humble lifestyle of those people. You play with their kids, you teach their kids. So that's one most memorable thing. So I think आपका भी सबसे memorable time वही रहा होगा. आप लोग कहाँ गए थे?
My batch went to Udaipur, and the craft that I took was Koftgiri. You do it in groups. So my group had Koftgiri, which is basically the art of adornment of weapons. Okay. So gold and silver work on iron swords and shields and all.
Okay, so craft cluster, how many days you spend there?
We went there for almost 2 weeks. We were there for 12 days, I think. Yeah.
Okay. आप लोग को तो नहीं स्टाइपेंड मिलता होगा. हम लोग के टाइम जब हम जाते थे तो हमें पैसे भी मिलते थे.
हमें भी मिलते थे. We got stipend and we got allowance and everything we got. Yeah.
Okay.
So staying allowance and travel allowance.
That's a very important part that all the NIFT students have to go through. And in fact, NID में भी है. NID में थोड़ा ज़्यादा है. निफ्ट में जो हम 12-15 दिन करते हैं, NID में आप कम से कम 3 महीने करते हो ये, क्योंकि वहाँ पे क्राफ्ट एलिमेंट थोड़ा ज़्यादा होता है. सो जो इस पूरे असाइनमेंट का जो मेन पार्ट होता है, ये वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट असाइनमेंट्स होता है, जिसमें आप कोई विलेज विजिट करते हो. उसका मेन एजेंडा होता है कि यू गेट टू नो अबाउट द कोर ऑफ इंडियन कल्चर, इंडियन आर्ट एंड इंडियन क्राफ्ट. सो आपको बताते हैं कि इंडिया इज नॉट द एम्पोरियम मॉल, but it's beyond that. So that is the point when you actually get to know that in what conditions our weavers are working for and working and how much they are earning. So you do a complete comparative research. क्या मटेरियल यूज करते हैं, कहाँ से सोर्सिंग करते हैं, तो आप बहुत फील्ड में रह के बहुत कुछ सीखते हो। सो अनुभव, कब टाइम आया आपको जब आप एक्चुअली में डिसाइड करना शुरू किए कि अब मुझे अपना स्पेशलाइजेशन इस फील्ड में करना है?
In your sixth semester, you have these subjects where, like range design and all. So up till that point, your faculty gives you a brief of your project, of of the subject, what you're supposed to do. But once you get introduced to something like a range design, you have to create your own brief. Of course, that also depends on the faculty. But when you design your own brief, you realize what you want to do, because the first exercise that you do with that project is to identify the kind of works that you've done. That's what we were made to do. कि आपने अभी तक क्या क्या किया है, आपको इसमें से मजा किस में आया, what do you think you were best at? So that makes you understand कि maybe you enjoyed doing something more, but you're actually better at something else. वो सब चीजें आपके सामने आती हैं, and then you can take the call कि हाँ मैं अपना range इस particular direction में बनाऊंगा, and then you move ahead with it. And of course, then the next year, in the final year, you have to make a collection. You make 2-3 collections. So usme you have a clearer picture as to what you want to do.
So basically in third year, तो आप एक बात बताओ कि थर्ड ईयर में आपने वही सब पढ़ाई करी जो कॉलेज ने आपको पढ़ाया, या आपको वो सब पढ़ना पड़ा जो आप करना चाहते थे? क्या सब्जेक्ट डाइवर्सिफिकेशन थर्ड ईयर में हुआ, या फोर्थ ईयर में जब ग्रेजुएशन प्रोजेक्ट किया तभी आपने सब्जेक्ट डाइवर्सिफाई की? जैसे कि मैं भी टेक्सटाइल डिजाइनर हूँ, मैंने प्रिंट्स भी किया, वीविंग भी किया, लेकिन आई रियलाइज दैट आई एम वेरी गुड इन वीव्स, so and I am very good in weaves, so I went to do my job with Ministry of Textile and I did a job with the weavers. लेकिन मैंने पढ़ाई सब कुछ करी फोर्थ ईयर। सो एक्सेसरी डिजाइन में भी क्या आप सब कुछ पढ़ते हो टिल एंड, या आप स्पेशलाइज करना शुरू कर देते हो थर्ड ईयर में आके?
No, I think it's very important. Even I did it, that I studied everything. I was very keen on lighting. I have done a lot of lighting projects, but I have studied every kind of furniture to the core, because it helps you understand your space. अगर मुझे लाइट लगानी है तो मुझे पता होना चाहिए कि वो एक इन जनरल एक टेबल और एक सोफा के साथ किस प्रोपोर्शन में रहना चाहिए, और वो चीज बिना सब कुछ जाने आपको नहीं समझ आ सकती है.
Okay, so can you see my screen, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So this is the so Anubha, you can explain, ये जो आपने काम किया है ये आपका फर्स्ट ईयर से फोर्थ ईयर तक का काम है, मतलब ये आपके निफ्ट का काम है, करेक्ट? Whatever you have done in NIFT.
Yeah, this is all NIFT work. There is nothing before or after NIFT in this portfolio.
Okay, awesome. So ये किस ईयर का काम है अनुभव?
Abhi, what you will see is something in the interim of third and fourth year. This is one of my most beloved projects. It is a 17 feet tall and about 24 feet wide tree, which is at the entrance of NIFT New Delhi.
Oh,
it is made of metal rods.
तो ये
And we
तुम्हारा है?
designed
चलो
the
मेरे को आज
whole
पता चल रहा है कि ये तुमने किया था।
सर आपको बात नहीं करते अब हम लोग बहुत ज्यादा. I will come and meet you.
हाँ, मैं नहीं बात करता हूँ ना, तुम लोग
अरे
बड़े। अच्छा, anyways, so अब now
yeah, so
yeah please,
yeah.
it's your work, not my work.
No, I was just telling that basically this project was done by 3 people. I was one of those 3 people, and the concept was to glorify NIFT. So if you were to see on this particular page, there are 11 leaves and a peacock with 5 sections. So that was a total of 16, representing the 16 campuses of NIFT. Each leaf, each part has a different design, which is from a state where there is a NIFT campus. So like in the heart of the peacock, you would see a Mughal Jali pattern. That is basically Delhi. In fact, we did one thing, we painted that whole part red. We're like, everyone should know that it's Delhi.
Okay. So, okay.
Just not for any significance of Delhi, just to show that it's installed in Delhi, nothing other than that. So
Okay.
it's there in the, when you walk into the campus from the roadside gate.
So now
We call it the tree of skill.
You have become number 2. So now my photography is in the office of NIFT director and dean. Okay, so now I have seen someone else my student who has जिसका काम इधर है. Anyways, that's lovely. Anubha, I didn't know that you have done it. Brilliant. Okay.
When I met you the last time, actually, this was in progress. That's why you don't remember. I showed you the design.
Yes. Okay.
It took us a lot of time to make it. It took us almost a year to get it all together.
Great. So now this is
another installation. Sorry.
This you have done in third year or second year?
This I did in towards the end of my third year.
Okay.
This was for the Asian Women's Film Festival. It was not a college project. This I did separately with a few more people. It was to basically, it was the whole theme about feminism and women empowerment. So we thought we'll do something a little different. कि हर कोई feminism, women empowerment की बात कर रहा है, but how do we have a different take on the same concept? So we thought, these unorthodox words like auto wali, doodh wali.
Okay. Anubha, your video is your audio is also gone. So I think she has lost the connection. She will come and will speak with her. आपके कोई क्वेश्चन है अगर तब तक तो आप प्लीज हाथ रेस करके पूछना जो भी क्वेश्चन हो आप लोग के. So yes, Anubha is again here. Anubha, can you आवाज आ रही है आपको? Yes. Anubha,
So just 1 minute. I think your voice is breaking. I can't see us.
आप लोग सबको मेरी आवाज आ रही है ठीक से?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Now I can hear you.
अनुभा इंटरनेट आपका खराब है. अभी आ रही है आवाज ठीक से अनुभा आपको?
Sir, I can hear you now.
Yeah. Okay.
And
everyone, yes. So this was the installation you have done for Spectrum. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah,
everyone?
This was done by the entire batch, of course.
Okay.
And like a lot of people don't know this, but the whole Dorevoo theme was also given by me. It was my theme.
Oh, nice.
The entire Spectrum was done on a theme given by me.
Okay, so I am flipping
What
through.
you?
Yes.
Yeah.
So, acha. So now
this is something which was in the curriculum.
Okay, acha Anubha. Tell me one thing. आपको आवाज आ रही है मेरी ठीक से? Anubha, can you hear me?
Sir.
Tell me, is interior design any
Yes,
kind
sir.
of part of accessory design? Do you do interior design or exhibition design or visual merchandising? What kind of interior set you do in college?
Okay, so what? When you talk about interiors, there are a lot of things in interiors which cannot just be accumulated into accessory design per se. There are certain parts of interiors which are there. For example, furniture is a part of interior which is in fashion, which is in AD. Then lighting is a big part of interior which is in AD. Any kind of tabletop accessory is interior, which is again AD. Then visual merchandising becomes a more retail aspect of it. What I'm doing currently is also somewhere visual merchandising, which is done by a lot of AD students. Because being in AD, not only do you understand graphics, you understand proportion, you understand material better than what an FC might. So when it comes to visual merchandising, there will always be a comparison between FC or AD, and like because you will have the same skill set, but AD will always have the edge because of that material knowledge.
Okay, अब देखो अभी तो जो करिकुलम है वो चेंज हो गया. अभी के करिकुलम में यू कैन ऑल्सो चूज इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी माइनर्स. आपके टाइम पे तो आई एम श्योर ऐसा कोई प्रोविजन नहीं था जब आप माइनर्स चूज करते थे. सो अभी हम लोग के टाइम भी नहीं था, लेकिन अभी आप लोग को अच्छा ऑप्शन मिलता है कि if you are going for any other course, you can always choose the course you wanted to do, but you didn't get it. So, okay, Anubha, so I'll just scroll through the presentation fast so that I can ask the other type of questions as well. So, this is one project. Now, what is this? Looks good.
So I just wanted everyone to know that just because you're an AD does not mean that you don't get to do graphics. We had an entire project where we had to do packaging design and label design. In fact, two of my very good friends are working with Dabur as their packaging designers, and they're doing just graphics. So this is a graphic project that I had done in my internship, but like this is not probably the best work that you've seen, but just so that you know that just because you're an AD does not mean that you will not do digital work. There is a lot of digital work.
Okay, so all these graphics has been done by you.
Yeah, these are hand-done graphics. Yeah, this was a live project that AD did with White Rhino.
Okay, so these are now live in in their stores also.
Not my design, but some other designs that were given by my friends.
Okay, so it means that you.
So what you do with real brands is more of conceptual work than.
So in accessory design, you do a lot of आपको graphics भी सिखाया जाएगा, Photoshop, Illustrator, CAD, आप इन सब के ऊपर भी काम करते हो, correct?
Yeah, definitely.
एक बात बताओ, बहुत सिली सा सवाल है, लेकिन क्या है कि पता होना चाहिए कि जब आप कोई चीज डिजाइन करते हो, जब आप निफ्ट में कोई सिखाया जाता है, तो आप उसको हाथ से क्रिएट करते हो या फिर आप उसको डिजिटली क्रिएट करते हो? जब आप लाइटिंग का काम कर रहे हो और बल्ब बना रहे हो, तो लाइट आप हाथ से बना रहे हो या आप उसको डिजिटली सॉफ्टवेयर के ऊपर क्रिएट कर रहे हो?
It's as per your convenience. I think you need your hand to have a basic sketch to put your thoughts together in place so that you know what you want to create. And then you use your digital softwares to actually create something real, something which makes sense to others as well. What is making sense in your head may not make sense to someone else. So you need to have that visual to connect. So apna, you should have a certain amount of sketching.
किसी का अनम्यूट हो गया. Okay, so these are poster stamps, which was the part of your self project or a college project or internship?
It was an internship that I did with Trip Machine Company. They do leather accessories for motorcycle enthusiasts. I just tried to put a lot of diverse work together so that everybody knows that you can do anything in AD.
Yeah, so far we have done accessories, we have done product, we have done graphics, we have done installation, and now I can see a lot of leather.
Yeah. This was leather accessories. I did bags and wallets and eyewear cases and stuff. This was my graduation project.
This one, the Trip Machine.
Yeah,
Basant. So this you done with Philips?
No, this was done with Trip Machine Company at the end of my second year.
Okay. So what was the project?
With Trip Machine or with Basant?
What is this? जो हमारे सामने coffee table.
Okay, this was my graduation project. I did a collection of furniture, which was basically a theme of a solar eclipse.
Okay.
So what you see in front of you is made out of mango wood, and you generally don't see a membrane on a table. People make solid surfaces. So there was a concept that we were trying. And on the right hand side is the same table if we were to make it in metal and brass. This is again showing that that entire process of eclipse where three bodies come in a row. उससे हमने एक nested tables बनाने की कोशिश की. Here is again where your trend knowledge will come into place, because as having known trends, you will know that okay, nested tables are something which are in trend, which are going to be in trend for the next 2-3 years. So you design accordingly.
Lovely. So these are actual. आपने इसको बनाया था?
So they were in the process of getting made, but COVID happened, so all production stopped. And once you are done with the internship, the company doesn't pursue it.
कम से कम आप
The coffee table got made.
कम से कम आप लकी हो कि यहाँ तक आपने कॉलेज ऑफलाइन किया था.
Yeah.
Okay, lovely project.
Thank
okay.
you.
This looks exciting. What is this?
So this was my 4th year. I did a collection, like I was telling everybody earlier, where you design your own brief. So I thought, ठीक है, blocky, normal inspiration से better है, let's go insecty a little. It will give you certain details. So my inspiration was a pelican spider. And this is all very conceptual, of course. I tried to design like a reclining posture chair, and the entire form of that chair is inspired by the positions and the hand movements and the joints of this particular spider that you see.
ओके,
So
सो
next
उससे
slide.
इंस्पिरेशन लेके आपने ये
Yeah.
बनाए, बड़े अमेजिंग है यार, वेरी नाइस.
Yeah. This is a chair. Then this is a table. That like my brief that I designed for myself was that this is all designed for an outdoor space. None of this is indoor. This is for my target client was somebody who would love to read outside. This is a bookmark.
मैं सभी को क्यों दिखा रहा हूँ ये, क्योंकि मैंने पिछले 10 साल में पता नहीं कितने सारे NID पास आउट्स का भी पोर्टफोलियो देखा और NIFT पास आउट्स का भी पोर्टफोलियो देखा. When it comes to product, I somehow find both the people are doing the same thing at the end of the day. So I mean, आप तो मेलविन सर से पढ़े हुए, and he is one of the finest product designers now. He's working in Australia. So उनके concepts भी इतने ही amazing होते थे. So it's guys, it's not only jewelry, it's not only fashion accessories, but NIFT gives you the opportunity to explore yourself, to do whatever you want to do. So अनुभा, पूरे 4 साल में आपको एक बार भी किसी टीचर ने क्या बोला कि नहीं, ये आप फैशन एक्सेसरी छोड़ के आप ये प्रोडक्ट क्यों कर रहे हो, आप इस तरीके के काम क्यों कर रहे हो? Did they motivate you or you got demotivated there?
I don't think I have ever been told that particular thing. No, doesn't happen. In fact, I don't know about the other departments, of course, but the faculty that I had as an AD student, they're so lovely, they're so protective, and I think we had such a great rapport with all of the faculty that we can just go tell them what is happening around us. This work on your screen is done by me. This was done by me in my second year.
So second year you have started these kind of work. Okay.
Yeah, I did lamps and all. I liked working with light.
That's the reason you went to Philips, correct?
Yeah. Philips, I worked with Signify.
Okay, nice. So Anubha, you really had some good work.
Thank you, sir.
No wonder you are doing so good. And I'm sure that now you will ultimately land up in NID next
This
year.
is again my second graduation project, like the second project in my GP.
Which one? This one? This one?
The last few images. Yeah. मेरे को ऐसे randomly they came and they said that हमारा furniture company है, हमारा बहुत सारा waste wood generate होता है, so please design something accordingly. So I said, okay, we'll take the cut up pieces together, we'll put them together, and so the whole concept was to create a Tetris, the game that we all used to play. So even though there are joints, the joints are making sense to the design.
Nice. So brilliant work, Anubha. I really loved all the works. I'm sure the student must have enjoyed. आप लोगों को कैसा लगा काम मैम का? Did you guys?
Beautiful, amazing.
It was beautiful.
Okay, so this is the work. So I really want to tell you guys that NIFT has same thing to offer to everyone. But I'm sure Anubha, आपके क्लास में भी कुछ बच्चे निकले होंगे जिनको मजा नहीं आता होगा ये करने में. And I'm sure वो IAS की तैयारी कर रहे होंगे, CAT की तैयारी कर रहे होंगे. So it's a risky career option.
Risky though is that I think if you have the right motivation, you can do whatever. One person from my class is currently a very मेरे साथ ही graduate हुई है, and she's a very successful makeup artist right now. One person is a very successful from my class, AD, is a very successful photographer. So everybody is doing because they wanted to do it. It was their passion. So they're excelling in what they wanted to do. Some people who didn't want to do design at all, they came in and they realized, okay, we didn't want to do this. So they figured out what they wanted to do instead, and they're working towards that.
So basically, guys, the agenda of organizing this one-to-one session with every student from different department is that आप जब आखिरी डिपार्टमेंट में पहुंचोगे ना, तो आपको रियलाइज होगा कि सब लोग बहुत क्रिएटिव हैं और सब लोग अपने क्रिएटिविटी का आउटपुट अपने हिसाब से चुने फोर्थ ईयर के बाद। लाइक शी हैज ऑप्टेड फॉर लाइटिंग। अब आई एम श्योर आपके क्लास में अनुभव लाइटिंग शायद सिर्फ आप ही कर रहे होगे और कोई नहीं कर रहा होगा, क्योंकि उसमें आपको इंटरेस्ट था।
Nice, sir.
तो बाकी क्या क्या
Yeah.
ऑप्शन थे जिसमें कि स्टूडेंट्स ने चूज किया लाइटिंग के अलावा, और क्या क्या करियर ऑप्शन थे इन एक्सेसरी जो आपके क्लासमेट्स कर रहे हैं?
Okay, I know somebody who is working with Safari right now. He's designing their briefcase collections. I know somebody working in footwear right now. He's working with Red Tape. Then a friend of mine is doing visual merchandising with Aditya Birla, Peter England. A senior of mine is the head visual merchandiser at Titan. Titan Eyewear, I think. I know a couple of people who are doing jewelry with Tanish, with Zoya, with Mia. I think Mia is also there. Then another
Swarovski
friend
और
of mine
Carrot
did
Lane,
a project with
Swarovski और Carrot Lane तो पूरा का पूरा निफ्ट से ही भरा हुआ है। Swarovski में
Oh,
आप जाओ और वो पूरा
yeah,
सारे
yeah,
निफ्ट लेन दिखेंगे Swarovski में, एंड यू गो टू Carrot Lane, यू विल फाइंड कि ये निफ्ट का कोई बैच से लगता है यहाँ बैठा हुआ।
yeah.
इतने सारे
I was also going to go to Swarovski. My college didn't allow me.
Okay, so basically, guys, so in accessory design, okay, one last very important question. So when you get to choose your graduation project, so guys, graduation project is something which you have to do in the 8th semester. So 8th semester is the final year. Final year, last semester, you have to choose, okay, I want to specialize in this, and then you tend to work with the same type of company who creates it. Like she told that she's into lighting, so she has done the lighting in the graduation project. तो अब ग्रेजुएशन प्रोजेक्ट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, जिसमें आप अपने आप को एक्सप्लोर करते हो इन द इंडस्ट्री, अपनी गलतियों से सीखते हो और दूसरों की गलतियों से भी सीखते हो और दूसरों की अच्छी चीज़ों से सीखते हो। दूसरा, आप इंडस्ट्री में जाके आपको पता चलता है कि हाउ क्रूएल द इंडस्ट्री इज। जितना निफ्ट में आप जितना परेशान हुए थे उसका 4 गुना ज़्यादा वहाँ पे आपसे टॉर्चर कराई जाती है, लेकिन वो टॉर्चर निफ्ट के फर्स्ट ईयर से शुरू हो जाता है। तो पहला तो एक चीज़, अनुभव, is NIFT a glamorous college or you need to be really hardworking student to be in NIFT?
4 साल पजामे में बिना नहाए कॉलेज गए हैं.
NIFT is
And
a
I'm talking
school.
about the girls. I don't even know about the boys.
NIFT is a school where you get to give 3 times of attendance, और हमारी नहीं, टीचर की भी अटेंडेंस लगती है उतनी बार। तो इट्स अ वेरी
Yes.
वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट कॉलेज। सो मेहनत करने वालों के लिए बहुत अच्छा कॉलेज है, मस्ती करने वालों के लिए सेकंड ईयर के बाद शायद रास्ते बंद हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि निफ्ट के अंदर जनरली जो स्टूडेंट्स फेल करते हैं वो आई थिंक अटेंडेंस की वजह से ही फेल करते हैं। निफ्ट इज वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट अबाउट अटेंडेंस। आई मीन
Yeah.
द अटेंडेंस मार्क इज 75% एंड इफ योर अटेंडेंस इज 74.9 यू आर आउट। आपको एग्जाम में
Yeah.
बैठने नहीं देंगे, कोई दया नहीं होता है। ओके
Yeah.
अनुभव, सो अब एक बात और, अपार्ट फ्रॉम द एक्सेसरी डिजाइन, what you have learned from your friends who were doing the different courses like textile, leather, fashion, वो कितने बड़े टीचर्स थे आपके लाइफ में उन 4 सालों में?
So I didn't get the last part.
That how did you get the help from your friends who were doing something other courses in NIFT and not accessory? आपको दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट से क्या क्या और कैसे सीखने को मिलता था?
दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट से, so one very nice experience that I can recall is basically all departments go for clusters at different times, and 2-3 departments will go to the same place. एक ना बहुत अच्छी ये लर्निंग होती है कि सेम जगह जाके सेम क्राफ्ट को लेके they are doing something, their understanding of that craft, that space is so different from yours. You understand a lot more of the same thing. You learn the visuals, the perspective of 5 more people of that same element, and of course you learn about so many other things as well. When it comes to I had a friend in textile design, and देख के मेहनत, अपना काम इतना आसान लगता था ना. They used to spend the whole day on the looms, they're weaving the whole day, and we're going there to help them out. So you learn, I think somewhere you also learn the value of your own department. You find that you understand, you enjoy your work so much.
मैं मतलब मैं खुद टेक्सटाइल डिजाइन से हूँ, तो मैं हम लोग बोलते थे तुम इसका नाम टेक्सटाइल डिजाइन बदल के चाइल्ड लेबर डिपार्टमेंट कर दो, इतना मेहनत करवाते हैं। ठीक है, सुबह से लेकर शाम तक ऐसा लगता था कि बस अब यही बचा है कि निफ्ट में रात में झाड़ू दे के निकले। इतने सबसे सुबह आओ, सबसे रात में जाओ, और सबको अपने मतलब ऑफ कोर्स जब देखते थे टेक्नोलॉजी वाले को, फैशन कम्युनिकेशन वाले को, तो लगता था कि यार इसी डिपार्टमेंट में होना चाहिए था, बास्केटबॉल खेल रहे हैं। फिर लगता था कि नहीं, उनकी उन, उन, उनका उन, उनका एक अपना मतलब सबको अब हार्डवर्क, मतलब क्या है कि हम लोग बहुत फिजिकल लेबर टाइप का काम करते थे, वीविंग कर रहे हैं तो किए जा रहे हैं, बट देन एक्सेसरी पीपल यूज्ड टू स्पेंड डे एंड नाइट्स इन देयर लैब्स. Fashion communication
Yeah.
people used to walk throughout the city to get the photography and filmmaking things done. So everyone has their own plus and minus points, but yes, there are very less minus if you are very positive. So be positive, guys, and trust me, even if you are not getting accessories, it's not the end. I am sure अनुभव आपके बहुत सारे फ्रेंड होंगे जो दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट के हैं और वो एक्सेसरी कर रहे हैं. Yes. Yeah, please.
I have to say something.
Yes.
When I was ranked 173, so in my first counseling, I got textile design.
I know.
And even in the second counseling, I could not get AD. So there is a provision in NIFT, which is called student permanent transfer. You have to work really hard, you have to get good scores, you have to maintain a good attendance, but then you do get transferred. I got, with my hard work, I got transferred from TD to AD based on my performance.
कितने मार्क्स थे आपको फर्स्ट ईयर में?
फर्स्ट ईयर में सर मेरी CGPA 9 थी.
तभी तो ट्रांसफर लिए. Anyway, so अभी सबको एक्सपेक्टेशन में देखा, it's one of the most impossible thing which you have done to get a transfer in an IFT.
No, but I'm just trying to tell them that अगर नहीं भी हुआ, don't get disheartened. It happens.
It happens. But yes, मैं बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को जानता हूँ जो फैशन कम्युनिकेशन करके फैशन डिजाइन कर रहे हैं, और फैशन डिजाइन करके फैशन फोटोग्राफी कर रहे हैं अल्टीमेटली. और मैं खुद टेक्सटाइल डिजाइन पढ़ के डिस्कवरी चैनल में जॉब करने गया था पहले, और मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ टेक्सटाइल में मैंने काम किया एज अ जहाँ पे मैं ट्रेनिंग देता था लोगों को. तो एनीवेज, तो निफ्ट टीचेस यू मेनी थिंग्स. NIFT will take out the best from you.
My boss is a FD graduate and currently he's doing such great installations and products.
So basically it's the aptitude. So Anubha, now we'll start the question and answer session for next 20 minutes. So whatever question they want to ask from you, please do not ask any question from me. मैं आपके question देने को हमेशा ready होता हूँ. So if you have any question with Anubha, you can always ask. So Manya, you have raised your hand first. Please tell me your question.
Hi Anubha, this is Manya's mom. Thank you for I'm Manya's mom.
Yeah.
So I have a query. First of all, thank you so much for sharing such a good information. Thank you to Sumit sir also. I think this is a very big and a good opportunity for a parent sitting at home at this pandemic, and we are getting, we can answer our all questions and all. So मुझे एक थोड़ा सा जो आपने बोला कि पहले TD पे गए और उसके बाद आप AD पे शिफ्ट हुए अपने हार्डवर्क से. So TD आपका फर्स्ट ईयर पूरा रहा था फाउंडेशन में?
Ma'am, first year will not have any segregation. Like on paper, it was textile design, but there is no differentiation in the kind of work that you do. Everybody is doing the same thing in the first year. क्योंकि आपको जैसे स्कूल में हम क्लासरूम्स को सेक्शन ABCD होते हैं, वैसे फर्स्ट ईयर में बैचेस होते हैं 1 to 6, and every batch will have students from every department. Everybody is doing the same thing.
नहीं तो आप TD से AD में कौन से ईयर पे कब शिफ्ट हुए?
After first year, ma'am.
अच्छा.
After second semester.
Second semester. Okay, that's the second year, right?
After second semester means after first year.
Right. तो अब आपके पास कहीं ना कहीं दोनों का कुछ इनपुट है. If you compare.
He hasn't done anything related with textile.
About textile design in the first year. You don't do department in the first year. First year is only about the foundation and everybody is doing the same thing.
So ma'am, जब आप फर्स्ट ईयर में जाते हो, कोई भी स्टूडेंट फर्स्ट ईयर में जब जाता है तो उसको पूरे फर्स्ट ईयर भूल जाता है कि वो किस डिपार्टमेंट से. They work as in the foundation year and they will work on their skills. They will work on their art. They will work on their graphics, photography, everything. And then they go to the second year. That will be the first year of their department. That is the second year of college, but first year of your department. So she has gone to access.
You don't even get introduced to your faculty, or the department faculty are also not introduced.
Okay.
फाउंडेशन ईयर के फैकल्टीज भी डिफरेंट होते हैं, बट यस इट्स नॉट सो रेयर कि जो आपने जो इन्होंने बताया, लेकिन ये वन ऑफ द मोस्ट, अभी आई एम श्योर जो इनको मार्क्स आया होगा ये शायद इंडिया टॉप की होंगी फर्स्ट ईयर, क्योंकि जनरली जिस डिपार्टमेंट में शिफ्ट किए हैं उसके लिए बहुत डिमांड होता है। 16 निफ्ट है, सारे निफ्ट है। तो आपका रैंक क्या था जब फर्स्ट ईयर आपने क्रॉस करके सेकंड ईयर में गए थे? तो रैंक 2। तो शी वाज रैंक 2 ऑल अक्रॉस कंट्री, दैट्स व्हाई शी गॉट द डिपार्टमेंट शी आस्क्ड फॉर। और दूसरा रीजन ये भी था डिपार्टमेंट मिलने का, क्योंकि उस समय एक्सेसरी खाली हुआ होगा। अगर एक्सेसरी डिजाइन खाली नहीं होता, कोई स्टूडेंट नहीं छोड़ता या कोई स्टूडेंट फेल नहीं करता, तो इनको मिलता भी नहीं।
Okay,
Arushi,
thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Arushi, you want to ask anything?
Yes, I'm Arushi's mother here. Anubha,
Yes.
thank you so much, dear, for this enlightenment. I just wanted to know how different is this product designing, accessory design at NIFT compared to, say, IIT Mumbai product designing or MIT product designing. Do you have any idea about that?
It's about how industrial your designs are. I mean, it is about focusing more on the physics of it than to create a product which sits in a space. Like, I would probably work less on designing the mechanism and more on what my design looks like from the inspiration. I think that would be a basic difference.
Okay.
That's what you want to do, you'll do eventually, whether you're there or whether you're not.
So ma'am, I'll add on to this. So suppose you go to NID, मैं आपको बताता हूँ, क्योंकि of course अनुभा की बातों पे मैं सिर्फ add on कर रहा हूँ, कोई contradict नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Like suppose Anubha has done the lighting, तो अनुभा ने फर्नीचर भी किया होगा, अनुभा ने थोड़ा बहुत एक्सेसरीज भी किया होगा और इंस्टॉलेशन भी किया। एनआईडी के अंदर आप इतना एक्सप्लोर नहीं कर पाते हो। एनआईडी के अंदर आप सेकंड ईयर ऑनवर्ड से बहुत फोकस हो जाते हो कि आप किस चीज में स्पेशलाइज कर रहे हो, क्योंकि आपको पेपर्स पब्लिश करने होते हैं, रिसर्च करना होता है। सो यू नीड एटलीस्ट 2 years ऑफ टाइम जिस भी कोर्स में आप स्पेशलाइज कर रहे हो। तो मेरे जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स एनआईडी में, ऐसा कहीं रिटर्न नहीं है, लेकिन दे स्टार्ट देयर स्पेशलाइजेशन राइट फ्रॉम आफ्टर सेकंड ईयर। बट निफ्ट के अंदर, एज आई टोल्ड यू एंड शी आल्सो टोल्ड, कि 4 साल आप सब कुछ पढ़ते हो और अल्टीमेटली यू लैंड अप डूइंग व्हाट यू वांट टू डू। बट देयर इज नॉट सो मच ऑफ रिसर्च इन निफ्ट, बट product wise, quality wise, things are quite similar. What NIFT Delhi, Mumbai, I mean any NIFT student and any जो अभी NID के student है, आप दोनों का पोर्टफोलियो देखोगे तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको कॉमन बहुत चीज दिखेंगे, एक्सेप्ट द रिसर्च पार्ट। NID के बच्चे किसी एक चीज में घुस जाते हैं तो बहुत रिसर्च करते हैं उसमें।
Okay, sir. Thank you, Anubha.
Any other question? Anyone want to ask? किसी ने और कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना है? Okay, so if there is no question, so thank you, Anubha. So
Sir,
one more small question, sir.
Yeah.
Nice presentation by Anubhav, and thanks to you that you're taking the efforts to do all this, sir. Really liked it.
Thank you, sir.
In the first year, do we get any idea about what will be taught in AD, TT, FC, and FD? Like the student has its own idea earlier, but then do they have any exposure? What will be the kind of studies there? Anything of that sort?
Not really. It's all about how much you interact. I mean, as per curriculum, you don't get ki acha ye AD hai, ye TT hai, nothing like that. But yes, you do subjects which involve everything. You will have a subject which will include yarn. You will have a subject which will include metal. You will have a computer related subject as well. You will have a photography related subject as well. So everything is going to be there. You won't get any kind of department classification.
But yes, एक चीज है जो अनुभव भूल गई कि उसने अपने 4th ईयर के जो सीनियर्स हैं उनको हेल्प किया होगा जब उनका ग्रेजुएशन प्रोजेक्ट होगा। So that's the very important part in NIFT, that in first year you choose your seniors की इनका ग्रेजुएशन प्रोजेक्ट है, उनका इंस्टॉलेशन लगाना है, उनका पूरा सेटअप करना है हमें, उनका फाइनल ज्यूरी है। तो उसके पहले जब वो पूरे 20 दिन 25 दिन अपने सीनियर के साथ रहते हैं तो उनको कहीं ना कहीं फर्स्ट ईयर में बहुत अच्छा आइडिया हो जाता है कि 4th ईयर के सीनियर क्या व्हाट दे आर डूइंग एक्चुअली। सो एक टाइम होता है जब जो हमारे 4th ईयर के बच्चे कॉलेज से पास आउट हो रहे होते हैं और हम लोग का सेकंड ईयर एंटर कर रहे होते हैं, तो हम लोग अपने सीनियर्स को हम मतलब वो मजबूरी है, हेल्प करना ही करना है। एंड दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट कि उस समय आप अपने सीनियर के साथ उसी समय कनेक्ट कर लेते हो and you learn so many things from your seniors. तो जो आपने सर पूछा, हाँ डेफिनेटली आपको एक्सपोजर मिलता है, लेकिन इसी तरीके से मिलता है जब आप अपने सेकंड, थर्ड और फोर्थ ईयर के स्टूडेंट से इंटरेक्शन करते हो. सो निफ्ट में इंटरेक्शन लेवल बहुत हाई है. सारे फर्स्ट ईयर हो, सेकंड ईयर हो, थर्ड ईयर हो, फोर्थ ईयर हो, ट्रस्ट मी, वी ऑल लिव लाइक ए फैमिली एंड एवरीवन शेयर देयर वर्क, एवरीवन टेक्स द फीडबैक. एक्सेसरी वाले ऐसा नहीं कि कम्युनिकेशन वाले से फीडबैक नहीं ले रहे होंगे, क्योंकि एक्सेसरी को भी उतना ही ग्राफिक सिखाया जाता है जितना टेक्सटाइल को सिखाया जाता है और जितना कम्युनिकेशन वाले कर रहे होते हो. तो वी लर्न फ्रॉम ईच अदर. इट्स अ वेरी गुड healthy environment out there.
Yeah, that's a good interaction to learn
Definitely.
from others. That's right. Thank you.
Yeah, Anushka, you have to ask, you want to ask anything?
Yes, sir. Ma'am, I would like to ask you that if you had such a good rank, 173, why did not you take
One
AD?
second, I'm
in
so
some
sorry.
other
I
campus?
just need 1 second.
Sure.
So there is some problem with Anubha, so we'll wait for her to come back. Yes, she's here. So Anubha, can
Hi,
you?
I'm so sorry. Just my bell rang. Sorry,
Koi
can you repeat your question?
Sure, sure. I wanted to ask that you got 173 rank, which is a pretty great rank. So why did you take TD in NIFT Delhi instead of taking AD in Mumbai?
मैंने जिद किया था. बताओ अनुभा. Anubha, I'll make the spotlight again. Yes, Anubha.
Okay.
Yes, Anubha.
Yeah. So, I was taught at Science Circle that the campus you choose will not make it does not matter that much. It's not that significant as long as you're willing to work hard, because there is great faculty. Ever choosing Delhi was that my home's here. I am a Delhiite. I live in Delhi. I'm so sorry. So that's why I chose the Delhi campus. I don't think there was any other reason.
So Anubha stays in Delhi. So see, Delhi के students का तो पहला priority Delhi होता ही है. बॉम्बे, बैंगलोर, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि आप बॉम्बे जाओगे, बैंगलोर जाओगे तो आपको कम सीखने को मिलेगा. बट डेफिनेटली धीरे धीरे रियलाइज हो जाता है कि किस सिटी में हो, और अगर आपको दिल्ली मिल रहा है तो इट्स फाइन, लेकिन ट्रस्ट मी गाइज, अगर आपको कांगड़ा मिल रहा हो, भुवनेश्वर मिल रहा हो, इतना ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता है अगर आपको डिसाइडेड है कि आपको करना क्या है. और मैंने बोला ना, निफ्ट का करिकुलम जब वर्ड बाई वर्ड सेम है फ्रॉम हियर टू कांगड़ा, यू कैन चूज एनी डिपार्टमेंट यू विश. बट वही है कि दिल्ली, बॉम्बे, बैंगलोर, इन सब में सिटी एक्सपोजर थोड़ा ज़्यादा होता है, लेकिन पूरे 4 साल में आपकी लगभग 12 महीने छुट्टी होती है. आई गेस 12 महीने से ज़्यादा छुट्टी होती है. छुट्टी है, जो मने करो. उस समय आप क्राफ्ट म्यूजियम जाओ, उस समय आप लोगों के अंडर इंटर्नशिप करो. यू वांट टू लर्न, यू लर्न.
Yeah.
Okay. Also that how did you know that you wanted to take up AD? Like I am basically confused between AD and FC, and I have talked to so many people and I'm still not able to clear it out. So is there anything that you can tell me that if this is in you, then you're good for AD?
Anubha, are you there?
I
Yes.
don't know. I mean, I've never had a confusion of AD or FC, that kind of a confusion, because I'm not very inclined towards graphics. But I believe somewhere you need to understand. Okay, for example, if you were to see something which is in very good packaging, you know, like you know, these new startups, they have such beautiful packaging.
Yeah.
एक दिन कभी देखना and see whether you appreciate the graphic more or whether you appreciate that box as a product. I think that would make you understand if you want to do product or you want to do FC.
Okay. Yeah.
थोड़ा सेल्फ इवैल्यूएशन करना पड़ेगा. बट यस, एक बात और है कि अगर अनुभा टेक्सटाइल में भी जाती तो वहां भी अच्छा करती, क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली इट्स द हार्ड वर्क यू वांट, यू हैव टू डू. सो I also remember I was getting fashion communication in 2005, but I opted for textile under the pressure of my family कि टेक्सटाइल कर लोगे तो लाइफ सॉर्टेड होगा, करियर अच्छा होगा, जॉब्स बहुत सारी हैं. तो टेक्सटाइल वैसे करना नहीं था कभी मुझे, बट व्हेन आई वेंट टू द टेक्सटाइल डिपार्टमेंट आई रियलाइज दैट ओके, निफ्ट इज ऑफरिंग मी एवरीथिंग. मतलब बुफे लगा हुआ है सीखने का, जो भी खाना है खा लो, जो भी उठाना है उठा लो, लेकिन उतना ही उठाओ जितना सीख सकते हो. So I have learned photography and filmmaking separately other than the textile, and trust me, I'm quite good in these two things. So it's totally up to you what you want to learn in the NIFT. NIFT is a big airport जहाँ पे कि आपको जहाँ टेक ऑफ करना है आप टेक ऑफ कर सकते हो 4 साल के बाद. तो प्लीज मत सोचना कि कौन सा डिपार्टमेंट कर रहे हैं कौन सा नहीं कर रहे हैं, बट यस एकदम ऑपोजिट भी मत ले लेना कि नहीं ये करना था और ये कुछ और ही कर दिया. ओके नव्या, you want to ask
I
anything?
am here. I'm so sorry.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Actually, the thing is कि department ज़्यादा matter करता है या फिर campus ज़्यादा matter करता है? Literally, I'm confused between them.
नहीं ये ना ये क्वेश्चन बहुत साल से मैं आंसर कर रहा हूँ. ट्रस्ट मी मैटर करता है कि आपका इंटरेस्ट क्या है. मतलब मैं आपको मेरी स्टूडेंट से मिलवाऊंगा. अगर आप बोलोगे तो मैं एफसी स्टूडेंट जो मेरी निफ्ट कांगड़ा की है मैं उसको बुलाऊंगा, एंड दे आर डूइंग मच बेटर देन माय निफ्ट दिल्ली ग्रेजुएट्स फ्रॉम निफ्ट दिल्ली. तो इट टोटली डिपेंड्स ऑन योर स्किल. तो अगर आप बोलोगे तो मैं सृष्टि से मिलवाऊंगा. अगर उसका काम देखोगे तो बोलोगे व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ग्राफिक्स शी डज एंड शी इज फ्रॉम निफ्ट कांगड़ा एंड हाउ कॉन्फिडेंट शी इज. So the point is that it actually depends on your. अगर कोई स्टूडेंट बोलते नहीं मैंने कम्युनिकेशन ही करना है तो फिर वहीं से जहां मिल रहा है वहां करो. लेकिन अगर आप इतने अनडिसाइडेड हो तो फिर आप कैंपस को भी ओवर कोर्स कर सकते हो चूज. लेकिन अल्टीमेटली यू विल डेवलप इन जो भी कैंपस मिले जो भी कोर्स मिले, क्योंकि सब बच्चे मेहनत करके पहुंचते हैं. और आपका सबसे मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट होता है आपका सर्कल कैसा बनता है. तो आपके डिपार्टमेंट में जो भी 30 या 35 स्टूडेंट्स होंगे ना वो बहुत मेहनत करके आए और वो सब अपने करियर के बारे में बहुत सीरियस हैं, वो जिस भी शहर से आए. सो you go to any department, you go to any campus, ultimately what matters that how hard working you are. So it's a very typical question, इसलिए मैं इसको पूछने नहीं दे रहा हूँ क्योंकि मे भी अनुभव बोल दे कैंपस चुनो और मैं बोलूंगा कि कैंपस और कोर्स में से आपको जो बने वो चुनो. दैट्स टोटली अप टू यू और वो उसका आंसर हम आपको काउंसलिंग के पहले देंगे जब आपका रैंक आने वाला होगा.
Okay, sir. एक और question था. Like मैं
I can
fashion
give you
design
an
के लिए
example also. My neighbor
अनुभव,
is,
yes अनुभव प्लीज.
she did AD from NIFT Kangra, and she's currently she just got admission into the Royal College of Arts for her masters. So there is no comparison as to which campus is good or which department is good.
Okay, so this year I want to give one example. इस साल जो मेरी rank 1 आई है मन्नत रंधावा in master in fashion management. She is from NIFT Kangra and she's all India rank 1 in the post graduation of NIFT. So it hardly matters that you are from which NIFT. और मेरे पास इस साल 6 स्टूडेंट पढ़ रहे थे जो NIFT दिल्ली से अंडर ग्रेजुएशन किए थे. They didn't make it to the top 10, but she is rank 1. So पढ़ाई हर जगह सेम ही होती है almost. Yes, Navya, what do you want to ask? Navya, you want to ask anything?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So,
please.
sir, I mean, all the amazing works that we saw, I just wanted to ask if all of those are some compulsory projects or something extra that you did, you know, being this amazing student you are, or is it something that everybody's doing? And I mean, was it teamwork or did you do it alone? So I just wanted to know all of that. And also it just seems so realistic. I've never done any digital art. So I don't know if that's digital art or that's, I mean, all the tables and lamps we saw, or was it something that was actually made and installed in your internships?
Okay, so what you saw was an amalgamation of all the different things that you just said. Some of it was curriculum work, some of it was my self project. The installation, the first installation that was there, that was not exactly a compulsory project. It was just something that happened over a conversation. What
The
works
tree
that
one.
you are talking about is the tree. The reason that designs look very realistic is because we use these 3-dimensional softwares. You create your designs on those softwares. So आप जैसे paper पे 3D drawing sketch करते हैं, फिर then you learn these tools to create that design on your computer, and you आप अभी color pencil से renders कर रहे हैं, coloring कर रहे हैं, then you use actual material in the software, of course, to create those renders. That is something you learn in college. They are subjects that are being taught by the college itself. So that is not something you need to worry about.
Okay, thank you so much.
Nikita, I'm taking the last question now. Nikita.
Sir, suppose I'm getting a textile design and I am always interested in communication. So will I be allowed to sit with communication student if I have done my work?
नहीं नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता ये। वो होता है कि आप डिपार्टमेंट में उनके क्लास में थोड़े 3 dates के वो थोड़ी आप रांचो होके कहीं भी आके बैठ जाओगे। लेकिन हाँ, डेफिनेटली आप उन जब ब्रेक्स होती है, जब कॉलेज खत्म होता है, तो आप दोस्तों के साथ मिलते हो, आप उनके लैब्स में जा सकते हो। कभी आप ऐसा नहीं होता कि एफसी में बोलेंगे अच्छा टीडी के बच्चा ऐसे क्यों बैठा हुआ है, लेकिन जब उनकी क्लास चल रही होगी तो डेफिनेटली नहीं बैठोगे क्लास में। उसके
Okay,
लिए
sir.
आपको माइनर्स चुनने को मिलता है, आप माइनर्स चुन सकते हो जिसमें कि आप उसी डिपार्टमेंट में उसी टीचर से पढ़ाई करते हो। सो माइनर्स वाज नॉट एट द टाइम ऑफ अनुभव, नाइदर एट मी, लेकिन अब हम लोग सीख गए माइनर्स में क्या होता है।
सर, और माइनर्स और मेजर्स में कितना डिफरेंस होता है? मतलब जो मेजर वाले होंगे वो क्या डिफरेंट सीखते हैं?
मेजर तो मेजर ही होगा एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, और माइनर्स माइनर्स ही होगा। लेकिन ऐसा है कि एज आई टोल्ड यू दैट आपको अनुभव का काम देख के अगर मैं नहीं बताऊं कि एक्सेसरी डिजाइनर है, तो कहीं आपको इंडस्ट्रियल डिजाइन का भी फील आ सकता है, कभी ग्राफिक डिजाइनर का भी फील आ सकता है, कभी लेदर डिजाइनर का भी फील आ सकता है। सो इट्स समथिंग दैट आपका इंटरेस्ट किस चीज में, फिर माइनर्स मेजर बाद में मैटर नहीं करेंगे, आपका पोर्टफोलियो मैटर करेगा। सो नो आई एम श्योर अनुभव, आप जब कहीं जॉब के लिए जाते होगे तो वो आपके डिपार्टमेंट पूछने से ज्यादा आपका पोर्टफोलियो देखते होंगे, आई एम श्योर।
Yeah, definitely. Like even where I'm working currently, they saw the portfolio and that was it.
So your portfolio and CV matters a lot. So work on your portfolio, work on CV. Definitely आप निफ्ट जैसे कॉलेज में अगर आपको एक इतना अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म मिल गया तो you can utilize that. So guys, चलो, thank you so much everyone. अब और questions मैं नहीं लूँगा. I'll see you tomorrow with textile designer Anubha. Sorry, Anubha is accessory design. She's with me, and Anusha. दोनों same है, Anubha Gupta, Anusha Gupta. So tomorrow we'll meet Anusha, and she is a brilliant textile designer. She has started her own label, and you will love to interact with her simplicity. Yes, Anubha is one brilliant student and the most down-to-earth girl I have ever taught. So brilliant Anubha, thank you so much for being with us and sharing your experience about NIFT. और अगर कोई फिर से करना होगा, I'll call you again अगर इनको कोई और डाउट होगा तो। Till then, absolutely fine. चलो अनुभा, thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Anubha.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you. Good night. Bye bye.
Bye bye.